In reference to making money online, priceless ideas are in this video. There are a lot of people out there who want to make some money by working online. Many ideas are out there concerning this, but usually they require upfront payment. Use the following information to help you learn how to make a living online. If you can write well, it would be a great idea for you to join a site like InfoBarrel or Squidoo, which are both revenue sharing sites. Revenue sharing for readers get you to write about topics you know about and then divide the earnings with you. They also have affiliate opportunities with Amazon, making it potentially even more lucrative. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways that you can make money online in your spare time. This type of marketing means that you will sell other people's stuff and get paid a commission when you do. There are all types of items that you can sell depending on your style. Do a Google search for making money online. You will find that search engines will deliver up many pages containing countless money-making options to choose from. Once you find something that sparks your interest, be sure to do a thorough search about reviews about that company. Approach each opportunity with caution, regardless of which one you pick. Start out small when you want to make money online, to minimize potential losses. For example, something that looks promising could turn out to be a bust and you don't want to lose a lot of time or money. Do a single tax, write just one video or order only one item until the site you choose proves to be safe and worthy. Your new insight about working online will help you start generating real income. You can even give up your job in time. Remember what you have learned here as you begin your search for paying work online. Student loan,